So I'm at JoAnn Fabric to get some interface and look what I found in here. I'm not sure about the price compared with other store. I think they're more pricey than other fabric store. I'm not sure because I hardly buy fabric from JoAnn Fabric. But they have the clearance, so you may have to go and check this out. This is like humongous JoAnn Fabric, the store. I only go on one aisle here, okay, and this is extremely too much. But they do have the sale, 30%, 60%, and 70%. So let's see. Usually if the fabric, they put down the price for you is good, because I'm not good about the price. But anyway, I just want to show you. Look at this, humongous. Don't come in here if you're looking for a yard of fabric, because you come out with 500 yards. Oh, look at this fabric. Isn't that so cute? Look at that. So adorable. So it is $3.97 a yard. Cotton fabric, everyone. So I just showed you the other day at Walmart for like $1 something a yard, and now go into here. Look at this one. Beautiful. Okay, so I'll just show you around, and then I come back and get interfacing. But this is cute. I like it. The cotton fabric is on sale to like $3.97 a yard. And look at the cupcake one. This is $3.97 a yard. A cupcake, cotton fabric. Oh, remember, I'm only coming here for interface and everyone. Okay, I don't need anything else. I'm going to show you this, but I'm not gonna look for everything else. Just want to show you the video. See how huge this store is. Humongous. I already skipped like half the store because one of the kids out there, she's like so loud, and I don't want to people not be able to hear what I'm saying. So look at that. You can play hide and seek here. Oh, look at this thing. It's 99 cents a yard. So cute. Look at this one with the star. They're 99 cents a yard, everyone. And all of this. Oh my god, you can make a gnome to buy this, like a quarter of a yard or something like that, to make a gnome. Good smart. You have all kinds. I have the black one too. And the pink one. Oh wow. And look at that one. There's another aisles here. The fleece is $6.99 a yard. But look at that. The whole store covered with fabric. Okay. Let me go down to the cotton fabric and show you. That quarter is like $1.99. See, they're more expensive than regular store. Here, this is cotton fabric. $2.99 a yard, everyone. It's on sale right now. Very nice. $2.99 a yard. I'm gonna put the camera down when I'm done. I'm gonna get a few yards of fabric. $2.99 a yard. That's really a good deal on that top sale right here. That $2.99 a yard. Wow. And then the other thing is regular, like $6.99, $5.99, all the way down there. And jelly rolls here at 25% off. Not too bad. But anyway, I just want to show you how big this store is. Huge. Christmas fabric is 40% off. I have this when I make a Christmas tree before, remember? They are beautiful. Look at that one. Look at this design, everyone. Beautiful. Telling you, I pretend I don't see anything. Halloween fabric is 60% off. Look at that. So beautiful. Ooh, look at this fabric. It looks so beautiful. Look at this one. So pretty. They have a lot of nice fabric here. This is cotton canvas. This is a good price. This is so huge, and this is 60% off. This is for outdoor. You making chair, salon chair, or anything for outdoor. Very pretty. 60% off. Look at the yarn. All kind, 25% off. Alright, let me show you one here, and then I'll go around so you can see the whole store. Oh my goodness. I told my husband I'm coming here, and he said, oh my goodness, I'm gonna go to the bike shop. I'm gonna say, I promise I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just showing the people because I see a lot of people coming in and out. I want to know what's going on. See how big this is? I'm not even half of the store yet. Let me show you all the yarn they have. And look at all the way over there. These are yarn. Unbelievable. I hardly go here because they're a little bit pricey. It's all embroidery, hoop and fabric and everything. I'm not gonna go for the whole store. Get tired already. There's more yarn on this side. T-shirt, jelly roll. You see, This is $4. This is not bad. $4. This is sale. This is a regular price for $4. Not bad if you want to make something small. See, this is the fabric I'm talking about, everyone. They have the hard, the thicker one, and then the soft one. You know, it's 99 cents. So you can make Christmas gnome using this one. Beautiful, soft, easy to work with, and the smaller size 59 cents. Wow. And the free fabric is $4. Yeah, that whole thing here fleece. Wow. What's this? Oh, it's like vinyl kind of fabric. You know, like making bathroom and shower. Unbelievable. This is huge. This is how big the store is. Oh my goodness. They almost have everything. They have beads. See, those beads, and make jewelry, glue, hot glue gun. And good, how are you? So all kind of beads if you want to make the jewelry. Look at that. They're on sale for $2.99. All these. Okay. The whole bunch. $2.99. If you're making jewelry, they sell all these beads and everything that you need 40% off and 20%. But these are the whole thing. If you buy in these, just make an angel. This is $2.99 to make the angel earring. So you can take this one right here out and you can make an angel earring for yourself or for gift. Go to JoAnn Fabric, everyone. It's clearing for $2.99. Snowman. That. Very cute. $0.99.